Founded in Berlin, Germany, Lankwitzer has been focusing on the development and production of high-quality coating. After 70 years of continuous development, it has become an international industrial coating brand. Lankwitzer entered China in 2002, invested and established its first production base in Sanke City, Hebei Province in 2010, and was recognized as Science and Technology Little Giant Enterprise and Specialized, Refined, Differential, and Innovative as RDI, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise in Hebei Province in 2020. Lankwitzer was recognized as National Specialized, Refined, Differential, and Innovative as RDI Little Giant Enterprise in 2022. In 2019, Lankwitzer invested and established its second environmental-friendly smart factory with Class A coating production qualifications in Chuzhou, Anhui Province, having an annual output reaching 10,000 tons of water-based, UV, high solid content, and other environmental-friendly industrial coatings. This is a smart factory integrating R&D, production, and logistics facilities. Lankwitzer's industrial coating business in China has covered auto parts and rail transportation industry, etc. Lankwitzer industrial coatings are widely applied in high-speed trains, subways, locomotives, new vehicles, and other projects in China and abroad, with international projects in Europe, Africa, South America, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, and other regions. Over 20,000 rail vehicles using Lankwitzer industrial coating has made it one of the main suppliers of rail transportation coating and auto parts coating in China and abroad. Lankwitzer has been the supplier of many well-known wheel hub manufacturers and has been recognized by famous wheel hub manufacturers including CITIC Disgusto, Li-Zhong Group, Liufeng Group, and Wanfeng, etc. Products are widely applied in major car brands such as Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Volvo, GM, Hyundai, Great Wall, Geely, Bike, and SAIC, etc. High-quality and dedicated R&D. Lankwitzer's R&D Center gathers technical elites in coating industry, follows and advocates new coating technology, and focuses on R&D and application of high solid coating, water-based coating, and UV curable coating. Pretty appearance and high standard. At the beginning of 2021, Lankwitzer industrial coating was successfully applied to the special train for the 2022 Beijing Winter Olympics, putting on a pretty and high-quality coat for the Olympic train, auspicious snow welcoming spring. We strictly follow high-standard production process and craft, use advanced equipment to ensure on-time and full supply of qualified products, and use our customized products and solutions to achieve the key target of providing customers with excellent coating systems. Lankwitzer adheres to the ecological concept of green is gold and always adheres to the principles of environmental friendliness and green environmental protection to ensure that the products meet the environmental protection requirements and standards of different countries and regions during production and application. In the future, Lankwitzer will continue to uphold the craftsmanship spirit of the new era, stay true to the mission, and win customer recognition and trust with endeavor and sincerity. Keep focusing on customers and quality, honesty and trust for win-win cooperation, and remain perseverance and innovation to become the leader of environmental-friendly industrial coating. Lankwitzer, an industrial coating company, your reliable partner.